Good morning, dear parents. I welcome you all on behalf of Radiant Tapovan School. I hope you all are fine and safe. Hope children have enjoyed summer camp with Camp K-12 and with Gita Camp. So, few years back, a seed called Radiant was sown by our Lavanya ma'am, and you all have nurtured it with your ongoing support. This seed gradually turned into a plantlet called Radiant Tapovan. I'm glad and proud to share with you all that today this plantlet is grown to be a Radiant Tapovan tree with not only tender branches of pre-primary and primary, but we have children even in middle school and high school as well. So in order to keep up the skills that prepare children readiness for 21st century, we have customized curriculum named Swadhyayan, which is self-explanatory term to encourage self-learning with blended technology. And by knowing to the fact that today's most of the children are self-learners, provided they need to be given a designed curriculum with proper facilitation, which is beautifully designed in Swadhyayan. Now teachers are saying, hey, pedagogy with blended technology, making us more efficient and self-sufficient. So a couple of things I feel I should share here. Though NCERT content is same throughout, but how we stand differently is by a different approach. For an instance, if a subtopic is given to the child and asked them to learn on their own, we can't take the child for high stick. In a sense, by saying, I'll test you, then finish. Instead, when teacher communicates, I would like to hear a story from you on this. Who would volunteer? Then there will be a shift from just testing to a continuous learning. Such techniques and strategies teachers are continuously provided by CPD, that is Continuous Professional Development, almost every month in Tapovan. So as you all are aware, that Tapovan pedagogy is not only blended with technology but also with value-based education through Vedic wisdom. Though classrooms have been shut, but think rooms of Tapovan are reaching every child through our efficient teachers, with the vision highlighted through their names of classrooms as Jignasu for grade 1, Viveka for grade 2, and Shravana for grade 3 think room, etc. Dear parents, keeping in mind every student will have different requirements. However, let us not stress them and compare and feel panic. Children now are looking at us for our guidance and support. Let us do what we can. We can, as a school, support them intellectually and emotionally, but physical and social support can only be given by you parents in present situation by spending quality time with them. We all know that we have a very clear role to slow down virus, to reassure everyone's well-being. Thank you so much for your ongoing support, and all the best. We are one family. Thank you so much.